this is in addition to the creating video calls on Zoom video. So there have been cases where you have to create a Zoom link right at the time of the meeting, or it's a last minute call. Instead of going through all the process of creating the Zoom link and creating all of those options, if you know it is a smaller group or you can control the features right on the call, this is a quick way of creating a Zoom link. So after you have signed in, you can actually click on new meeting. It will use the personal ID of the account. That actually does not change no matter how many times you click new meeting, which is why it is not preferred for a large group or a pre-planned event. It is better to use a new unique Zoom link for those. But for last minute calls, this doesn't matter. So you can click on new meeting if people already have the personal ID, or click on the arrow here, choose your options. You can copy the invitation, go to the calendar, send it to the person with whom you want to have a meeting. They will get all of this information right there. Click on save, right? Immediately they will get the information and you can just start the meeting by clicking here. Once you have started, within 2 minutes, you have a Zoom link which is ready. Try this out and let me know if you have any questions.